The human being's sinful nature is that we can operate within that state of being that is absent of truth. That we can live our life based on our belief, which is outside of, which is counter to truth. That even if we don't willfully do such, that even if we don't actively choose to live in a state of being that is counter to, that is outside of the spirit of truth, it is because that is our nature. It is our nature that we must live counter to and outside the spirit of truth. That we have no choice. That a liar lies because it is natural to them. That a liar lies because, excuse me, it feels as truth to them. That a liar lies because they are by their very nature a liar. That a lion roars because of its very nature. There is no difference. It is the same. It is the same because it is dictated by truth. It is the same because it is subjected to the subject of truth. The sin nature of the human being. Indeed, we are born in this sin. We are born in this sin. We are born of the nature of sin in our ignorance of truth. And as we grow, we sometimes become apathetic to truth, indifferent to truth. It does not make us evil, per se, but in that way in which it does make us evil, and in that way that we are evil, it is that evil is that which is not truth. So it's only by way of that nature that we live under that condition, live by that way, that we are thus evil. But it's because the truth of our evilness is that we are thus worthy of redemption, worthy of salvation. Because that redemption, that salvation comes by way of the very nature that dictates, that verifies, that validates, and vouches for our being evil. For Satan is the other side of God. but it is not beyond God. It does not go beyond the bounds of God. Truth is on both sides of a lie. God is on both sides of Satan. Satan is only one side of God. And our side can be caused by the very fact of your ignorance. The sinful nature of the human being